I'm Sadman Tasin Khan from S4. So this is a presentation on crash dummies. A robot may not harm humanity or by inaction allow humanity to come to harm. Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov is an American science fiction story writer who believes robots will not harm humanity, rather it would stop us from harming each other. Since we are talking about crash dummies, we can say his words to be affirmative. The following contents can be found in this presentation. What is crash dummy, how it works, how it has impacted our safety measurements. So what's a crash dummy? A crash dummy is a fully scaled anthropomorphic test device that simulates the dimension, weight, proportions, and articulations of a human body. It's exactly a replica of a human body used for crashing purposes. So it's a quite useful device. How it works? Since we are talking about crash dummies, it could be nothing more than a bonking device, right? Wrong. It actually can stimulate human responses to impacts, acceleration, deflections, forces, moments of inertia generated during a crash. Each dummy is designed to model the form, weight, and articulations of human body. Crash dummies consist of various sensors on each part, so we can measure the information feedback that is sent to its computer and analyze the data. How it has impacted our safety measurements. Using the crash dummy test, we can no longer need a living animal to measure the safety of a vehicle. Previously, we had to use living animals to measure the safety of a vehicle. It could be a dog, it could be any other animals, which is quite inhuman. Since crash dummies are replica of an average male body, so the proper crash test could be done and the fixes could be done to prevent the deaths. Crash test dummies could be used as passengers on self-driving cars for the tests. Crash test dummies are really important media for automotive crash testings and are considered the real lifesavers. And since the chances of our certain modern on being roadworthy or safe relies on these test devices. This is a crash test. Tesla has actually earned a safety award from IIHS for safety standards. So we can say these testing devices are really important for these purposes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for having me.